Hello. So before, in another episode, we went over our router, and for our router we created two networks, two switches. We created REDA servers and REDA remote. We placed our domain controller 1, 2, DHCP and router on our servers, and we placed our Windows 10 PC on the remote, and we connected them with our router. So what you type is ncpa.cpl, and last time we connected REDA remote and REDA servers, and now we will connect a third one. I made a new switch called external switch, which uses a network card on my computer so that we can configure NAT. So what we do is we go back to our router. Here is our router. We press File, Settings, and you can see Add Hardware, Network Adapter. And here we choose external switch. And now we type ncpa.cpl. You can see. And let's name it external. Where? Okay, let's type switch. Oi. Yes. So let's see our REDA servers. We were using our 10, 100 and 0, and for our remote we were using 10, 200, and this will obviously be by DHCP. So anyway, now we have 3 of them. Now we have to go into our router, tools, routing and remote access. And if we look here in our IPv4 static routes and right click show IP routing table, we have 10.100, 10.200, and we don't have the new one. And what we need to do is we need to disable our routing and remote access and then enable it again. And when we have to again make a new DHCP relay agent, so we can't forget this. So 10.100.0.21. I'll write this up here. 10.100.0.21. 10.100.0.21. Okay. So now let's just check here. Okay, so we disable. Now we configure. Next, custom LAN NAT. Finish. Start service. Okay, so now we press IPv4 static routes and we press show IP routing table. You can see now we have a new one. So we have our 10.100, 10.200, we have a new one. So now we make a new DHCP relay agent. So we right click general and new routing protocol, DHCP relay agent. We go in here and we right click new interface, and we need for remote. And then we right click our DHCP relay agent properties and we add 10, 100, 0, 21. And let's double check. 10, 100, 0, 21. Okay, and now we go to NAT and we add a new interface, Reda Remote, private. We add a new Reda Servers, private. And we add the new one, external switch. And this will be public. And enable NAT on this interface. So now let's try this out. So now we can check if, now we saw that our DHCP works. So now we're gonna go back. We go back to our router, NAT. Let's see here. Okay, so let's do here CMD. We do ping. Let's ping 181.888. We got a reply. Look here. Let's enter a web page. So let's go like Wikipedia. Let's write NAT. Network address translation. There you have it. Pretty cool. Thank you.